Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new here, hi, I'm Ruchitha. And if you're new here, then go subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And also hit the like button and comment down below if you want to tell anything to me. And if you're interested in my channel, then you can go check out my intro video also. I'll put it in the card bar. Go check out now and then come back and continue to watch this video. So you already read by the title. In today's video, I'm gonna cook for 24 hours. Actually, the video I have already filmed it. I had done this on some Friday. I don't know which date. A few days back on some Friday, I had done this. But intro and extro obviously haven't filmed it, so I'm filming it that right now. So yeah, without any further ado, let's roll into today's video. I actually wanted to do something special, like for whole day, cook something good, cook good meal. Okay, not like something daily basic. So that was my goal, and I think I did a pretty good job. People liked my food. Only the lunch, remaining else was really good, and I enjoyed cooking. It was a little stressful, I can say, because it was not like anything usual. I was cooking some different recipes I was doing. I was very stressed from the day before only, but it went good. I'm happy about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video of me cooking the whole day, and let me know in comments how did I cook. Actually, my sister did the taste test. Usually she's like very into her, like she doesn't tell compliments people. She really doesn't do it. If she tells something, matlab, it's like very very good. It have to be like very good. It's like that for her. So you have to wait for her compliments. Actually, I was happy for that. At least I got that. Enough of this drama. Let's begin with the cooking. For breakfast, I thought it would be really nice if I prepared something different than what we usually have as breakfast. I thought of preparing pav bhaji, and that's what I'm going to prepare in for breakfast. I mean, so enjoy the process of me doing it all by myself. Proud. So now my sister is gonna do the taste test. So taste it and tell me how it is. Very funny. Onions. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. Thank you. So here's my sister trying it out. And tell me how's your favorite paneer butter masala and special chapati. You should give your honest review. Good? Sign language. Okay, I'm happy. She's a big time paneer lover and butter masala is her favorite from very long time.
It's actually good. I didn't expect it to turn out so good.
Whoa, I'm happy. Happy tears actually.
It's
Behind the
spicy
camera.
and good.
Okay, I'm happy. Yay! So that's it about today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video of me cooking for a day. It was good. I felt good and my sister liked it and my mom also liked it. Sorry she wasn't there in the video, but then she did like it. And butter masala was really very good. And my sister, after that day also, she was asking me recently, like 2 days back, to prepare again. So yeah, that much good it was. Like I'm so proud right now. Yeah. So if you want me to do something like challenges like this kind of challenges, then comment down below. I would love to do it, and still many more things to come. So be subscribed and hit the bell button also. And you can follow me on Instagram. This is my handle here. And also in the description box, the link will be there. So follow me on Instagram. And that's it, guys, about today's video. I hope you are safe, you're feeling good, you're happy, and be good. Feel happy and be positive. Till then, take care. Bye bye.